If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Nantucket Bank, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Nantucket bank account by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Once logged in, locate the transfer section in the main menu. This area will show you all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transfers are usually listed separately, making them easy to identify. Step 4. Select the transfer. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option and click on it. Follow any prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. In conclusion, cancelling a pending transfer on Nantucket Bank is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.